Hi, I'm Liz Anksman.
And I'm Kate Jackson.
And we've put together these web stream lectures for you. So studies have shown that the best way to learn physics is to practice answering questions. So with these web stream lectures, there's lots of opportunities for you to practice answering questions. We'll have short videos in which we'll present the theory, and then we'll be asking you a question about that theory. Now we know you probably don't enjoy this as much as watching a 2-hour video of one of us explain all the ideas to you and work through lots of problems. However, lots of studies have shown that the learning gains for students learning this way are much higher than in the case where you're just passively watching a video. So we know it will hurt your brain a little bit, but we're trying to make it as efficient for you as possible to learn this material.
Now, the marks for the web stream lectures do not count towards your final grade, so you don't have to worry if you get questions wrong. The questions that Liz mentioned after each of the theory videos, you can think of them as worked examples. So give them a go, and if you don't know how to do them, just put in an answer and a solution video will pop up that'll show you how to do it. So you'll know how to do questions like this in the future. But if you can already do the questions, that's perfect. If you can do them without watching the theory videos, you can skip the theory video and we won't be offended. Now, at the end of each of the web stream lectures, there are practice problems for you to try, and this is going to be the same for every lecture. So we're going to give you heaps of practice at answering problems.
So the web stream lectures have been aligned with the quizzes. The quizzes will cover the material which was taught in the preceding week's web stream lectures. We've aligned the labs as best we can to the web stream lectures. With some of the early labs, the content is covered in the web stream lecture in the same week as it's covered in the lab. So we recommend, if possible, please try and keep ahead on the web stream lectures.
Now, these web stream lectures are new, and while we have tested them, you may come across some issues and problems with them. If you do come across any issues, please let us know. We want to know so we can fix them as soon as possible. You can do this by either going to the discussion forum on Moodle and someone will answer that for you, or you can attend one of the synchronous sessions, and the timetable for that will be on Moodle, and you can let a staff member know of the issues that you've come across.
So there's 4 lectures a week spread over 8 weeks for the course. We estimate that it'll take you around about 2 hours to complete each of the web stream lectures. Upon completing the web stream lecture, you should be really well prepared to attempt the quiz.
So we hope you enjoy doing these web stream lectures, and although you might find them challenging, we hope you find them a manageable challenge.
So we look forward to seeing you online.
See ya.